So today is another really gloomy day here in Byron, but that is not going to stop me from being productive. Today's vlog is going to be getting my shit together. The other day I had really bad cramps and I just couldn't bring myself to be productive, and I decided, oh, I'm gonna make myself a necklace because I've wanted kind of like a choker necklace for such a long time. So I made myself one and I put it on my Instagram, and so many of you guys were like, oh my god, can I buy one, can I buy one? So I was like, oh wow, okay, should I start selling them to a few people and stuff? So I like put it out on my Instagram like, hey, if you guys want to go on the pre-order list, like let me know. And so many of you guys did, so I literally have been beading and making necklaces for the past 2 days. So I finished some of the orders for today. I need to put clasps on them, and then I need to process them and go to the post office and drop them off. Dad is gonna come and help me with the clasps. Guys, this is my beautiful, beautiful father. Hey. I feel better about him putting the clasps on because I know he's doing it well and making them really strong. I think I'm gonna start packaging them like this because I wanted to use reusable packaging. And I have so many old books that I've bought from op shops that I use to collage because I love collaging with old books, and I thought that's just a really nice way to package them up with some old books that would otherwise be thrown away. How cute is that? Okay, now I can speak. Yeah, my car still makes that noise, which is pretty funny because last time I did a getting my shit together vlog was February of this year, and my car was just starting to make that noise. Still going, full year of communicating. I went and dropped off the packages at the post office, and now I'm gonna go pick up my mom's Christmas present from Adrian, which is, he has a brand called Tony, and he buys recycled or secondhand from the op shop blankets and fabrics and towels and makes the most fun, beautiful garments out of them. So mom wanted a jacket, so I'm gonna go pick up her jacket. I'm so excited to see it. Hello. I'm vlogging. How are you?
Good, how are you? But yeah, I'm cutting while I'm sewing, and I'm just doing like everything.
So I know I said I got that jacket from mum for Christmas, but I got it early and today's the last day of Hanukah, so I'm going to give it to her now. Yeah, she's coming down the stairs.
This is so beautiful.
How cute is it? Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited.
It's actually really fun.
Wow, I love it. I love the color.
It's really beautiful, hey? Look at that.
Oh my god.
Try it on.
Wow.
You know what's crazy, Mum? Look at this. Look what it says.
Tamar. Oh my god, this is meant to be.
How crazy is that?
Yeah. This is so nice to wear.
It looks so good on you.
I love it. Like, I'm gonna live in this.
It looks so, and this, the way like it looks out. Oh my god, look in the mirror.
It's perfect.
Started with spark, now we're on
Oh,
girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too.
I am on my way to my workout class. I have talked about hustle before. Actually, when I did this getting my shit together vlog in February of this year was the first time that I signed up and went to hustle. So I'm still at hustle. It is the best. I love hustle.
There must be something in the water.
Oh, that's Shrugsy.
Every day it's getting colder. If only I could hold you. You keep my head from moving under.
I'll see you inside.
Yeah,
Where are you peeing?
just here.
I'll wait for you.
Do you want to come in with me?
Wait, I have to organize myself. I'll meet you outside the door.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. How's your fast? My bottom hurts. Guys, my butt is broken. Apparently there's a Hanukah lighting at our friend's house. Turns out Heidi might be coming. Well, I'll hopefully see you later. Sweaty kiss.
Yes, mayhaps.
Mayhaps. Send my love to your mother, to your madre. I'm gonna go home now and I'm going to have a shower and get myself ready for dinner. This is one guy. This is a song we wrote, Danny, when we were like, well, how old were we?
I think 16? 15, no, I think 16, because I had a green.
Sounds fresh as the.
Yeah.
But you think it was secret languages that only I've heard. And I know I'm fooling myself. And I wouldn't do anything to be somewhere else. So when I open my eyes, I get so attached to my own lies, turn my emotions off. I wish I could fight for
Are you okay in that bit? So
I should call my friends. Oh my god. I kind of need to do my morning. Kind of need to do my morning poo.
It's that time of the morning.
That's what I didn't share in my morning routine video.
Maybe you should have, Joy. I thought you were about being real.
That's true, idiot.
Just after I pamper my face.
I like to take a huge shit. Anyway, we're going to a bakery in Byron that we've never been to that looks real fancy and cool. This morning with Jarvis and Luca and maybe Loz. And
it's a sunny morning,
it's a sunny morning.
which is a bit different. And there's some crows outside.
Very different to how it's been for the past week, that's for sure.
Mm.
And then I need to continue on with my productivity because this is my getting my shit together vlog. And look at me, I'm not. Are you guys dating yet, or?
yeah, I'm not.
He proposed, and then I said yes,
Right.
but then it flooded, and we couldn't get to our wedding, and
I proposed over Zoom,
which is
which is what you wanted.
Yeah.
It's what you always dreamed of. I'm trying to get this ring off. You'll get Wanna get married or something? You're supposed to say, I suppose.
I suppose.
I proposed.
I suppose.
Marry or something.
You wanna marry or something?
You wanna marry or something?
Wow, it's like Cinderella. Flies by you,
Oh
and it's like
my god, and you hit your
one
face.
flew into my ear. In it.
That would be the worst. That would
And it was
really
like-
be torture.
And I was like, ah!
Dude, that's like my worst nightmare.
Yeah.
Last
But
night, you
going
know when
into
you're falling
it,
asleep and I'm a kid as a kid?
So I just finished off at the bakery in Byron. It was really nice to see everyone. I'm taking advantage of it being a sunny day and I put another load of laundry in. But right now, I have this whole thing to fold and put in my wardrobe. So while I fold, I'm just gonna listen to a podcast.
Later. And it was a Saturday. He said, yo, Playboy, make that shit happen. So he called me like 9 in the morning, right?
For that night?
No, in the morning. He just said,
For the same day?
For the day. I said, no problem. So I go into my...
What would you say? Maybe like 30 by 15 feet.
So it's a bit later on in the day. Actually, it's a lot later on in the day. It is 4:45. I've actually been productive. I've been pretty much editing this video you're watching right now. If you have watched till this point, how about we comment banana? Just incorporate banana into your comment somehow, and then I'll know you've watched till this point, because I'm always interested to see who the people are that stay till the very end. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. Bye.